Introducing the Dosnik Ultrasonic Hot Plate Welding Machine, where precision meets performance. Engineered with advanced ultrasonic technology and controlled hot plate heating, Dosnik delivers strong, uniform, and leak-proof welds for thermoplastic components. With fast cycle times, accurate temperature control, and consistent pressure application, it ensures superior bonding quality in every operation. Perfect for automotive parts, electrical enclosures, packaging solutions, medical components, and industrial applications. Built for durability, easy operation, and energy efficiency. Dosnik helps you increase productivity while maintaining the highest welding standards.